Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this video, this is part 1 of making a flight game in Scratch. So let's get started. So in the description I left the flight game starter project, so you can click on the link and click on Remix. So let's get started. So it's remixing. Okay, so now let's go. So first, let's go the title screen playing. When alpha clicked, go to X and Y, 0, 0, point in direction 90. So many two new variables called mode for spreads and sway for spreads. So put an equals, an equal, if mode is equal to 0, okay, show set size to 50, switch custom to 1, change Y by pull and apps, but change it to here cause of sway, okay, and duplicate this, but change it to change x by divide cos of sway divided by 2. Okay, and leave it here. And now put a pointing direction and duplicate this. But cos of sway divided by 0.05, and here put the plus. Okay, so plus 90. Okay, and guys, sorry, it was 0.5. And in the else, go to X and Y, 0, 0, and high. Okay, let's keep coding. When green flag clicked, forever, if put an equal, if mode is equal to 0, okay, so put an if key expressed, okay, put the broadcast and wait, So broadcast a new message called transition and wait. Okay, set mode to 1, wait 0.25 seconds, and broadcast another broadcast and wait. Broadcast a new message called transition 2. Okay, so now let's switch sprite to instructions. But before that, let's make a new sprite called transition and leave it here and convert to bitmap and fill with white. Okay, but now convert to vector and hide, say the project, and green flag clicked, set ghost effect to 100, go to x and y, 0 and 0, and hide. When green flag clicked, forever, go to front layer, when I receive transition, set ghost effect to 100, show, repeat 10 times, and change ghost effect by -10. And duplicate, when I receive transition 2, set ghost effect to 0, show repeat 10 times, change ghost effect by 10, and hide. Okay, and now go to instructions. I make a new variable called sign costume for sprites. When green flag clicked, set ghost effect to 0, set sign costume to 0, go to x 0 and y negative 310, forever, put an equals, if put an equal, If mode is equal to 1, show and switch Gaussian to the variable sign Gaussian. Okay. And in the else, hide set sign Gaussian to 1. Okay. And go to x0 and y negative 310. When green flag clicked, forever, if unequal, if mode is equal to 1, okay, say the project, could repeat until or, and in the right side of the or put an equal, okay, and in the left side put also an equal. So for now, make a new sprite called title screen plane, and then we're going to customize it. Okay, so set the project, and now go to the titles. Oh no, sorry guys, I confused. We had the sprite. I forgot. So put a floor of, and here put equal to 0 and here equal to negative 1. So floor of the distance here distance to child screen plane is equal to 0 and duplicate this and put it here. Okay, save the project and change y by put a divide. So distance to title screen plane divided by 5. Wait until pull an OR, key left arrow pressed, or key right arrow pressed. Put an if false, an if false here. If key right arrow pressed, repeat until put a lesser than until y position is lesser than negative 300 and duplicate this and change y by distance to title screen plane divided by -5. Change sine cosine by 1. Put another equals, but not in the equal, in the else. So if put a lesser than, if 2 is lesser than sine cosine, set goes effect to 100. Grab a broadcast and wait. So broadcast transition and wait. Set mode to 2. Wait 0.5 seconds. OK. And broadcast transition 2. And now in the else of the if 2 is lesser than sine cosine, put. Now only copy this, but delete this. If key left arrow pressed, so here put like that. And well guys, I think that this was here maybe. Well guys, I don't know why I did it, but it doesn't matter because now bye bye.